Hi guys, this video is going to be about Volvo P2 headlight from 2001 to 2005. This has glass lenses, not polycarbonate. In this video I'm going to show you how to take off the lens, the glass of the headlight. I need this lens because I have a buyer. On this occasion I'm going to take it apart and show you how to take it apart because I couldn't find any good videos on the internet about the glass headlights. So stay tuned. First you need to take off these little clips, retaining clips. They just hold it together. These are here and there is one here and here and here, everywhere, and you have to take it off from the back. I'm going to try. I put it on and I need a tool. So, tiny screwdriver under this and you just pop it. See? Nothing damaged. There are like 5 of these on it. And now comes the hard part. You have to take off the glass, which is glued with the silicone glue. So you need a heat gun, flathead screwdriver, and you need a lot of patience not to break anything. So follow me. You need a heat gun, and you need a flathead screwdriver. I have 2, and my secret weapon, bicycle tire remover. I'm going to try to use this and maybe not damage anything. I'm gonna cover these 2, so it's much less risk damaging the glass. It's a bit better. So, heat gun. I'm going to warm it up a little everywhere, like all around. And then I'm going to start harder on one side. So let's try to pry it a bit. You see, it's opening. Good, so let's go more. So let's pry more. So patience. Patience is the key. Go around, open it up. I'm not sure if you hear it, but it's coming apart. You see? This side too. Yes, it's in. Ah, the glue. Do you see? It's opening up. So, I think I'm gonna warm it a bit more. This can handle higher temperatures, like 100 something. So I'm gonna leave it in. You see? It's coming apart. Oh, it's hot. It's very hot. So, I'm gonna go like with the bikes. I'm gonna go around. Like the bike. Same as the bike. You see? I recommend using 2. Like the bike. Okay, so this side is open, I think. Let's move to this one. Shit. Yep. Good, good, good. Let's leave it here. Like the bike. Yeah, almost there. Almost there. But patience. So I'm just gonna heat it up a bit here. Yep. Here we go. So we took it apart. I think I did something wrong because this shouldn't be here, or this was already repaired once. That's my other guess. So, one thing. It's stuck in the glue. It's supposed to be on this one. So, it's done. I took apart the headlight. Here is the glass. Yes, and at the beginning of the video I told you that you need screwdrivers and stuff and everything, but after the video, after I took it apart, I think you only need a heat gun and bicycle tire remover is the plier. You need like 3 and you're good to go. So, heat gun and bicycle tire remover. And here it is, taken apart, one piece. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm coming with more video. Actually, I'm thinking of painting this gold, but that's in the very far future. It's not real gold, it's a coating, vacuum metallization. So here you go. I didn't damage the housing, and the glass is also in one piece. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Also check the merch, and that's all. Bye.